Hello and welcome back class 2 in your English class. Today again we are going to take chapter 3. We are going today to do the exercises of this chapter. So let us start. Exercise 3. Fill in the blanks adding s to the doing words where needed. See first one, Papa dash the car. सो बेटा हम एस और ई एस जहाँ पर सिंगुलर वर्ड होता है उसके साथ लगाते हैं ना, जहाँ पे प्लूरल होता है वहाँ पे हम एस या ई एस नहीं यूज़ करते हैं. तो अब देखिए, पापा डैश द कार. पापा सिंगुलर है ना, इसलिए पापा स्टॉप्स द कार. सेकेंड वन, येलो लाइट डैश द ड्राइवर टाइम टू स्टॉप. येलो लाइट gives the driver time to stop. Yellow light is singular na? Yes, so yellow light gives the driver time to stop. Third one, they dash the theater. They reach the theater. They is plural na? So here we will not write s or es. They reach the theater. Fourth one is the vehicles dash when the light is red. So vehicles is a plural word na, so we will write here stop simply. The vehicles stop when the light is green. Okay, so if the subject is singular then only we will use the s or es, otherwise we will not use s or es. Do the next exercise please. See, we have read in the lesson there is always a yellow light before a red light and there are other vehicles in front of the car. Here there is or there are given, you have to use them properly. Beta, is we will use with the singular word and are we will use with the plural. So see here, first one, dash is a fish in the net. तो फिश सिंगुलर है ना, इसलिए हम उसके साथ इज यूज करेंगे. सो देयर इज ए fish in the net will be our sentence. Then second one, dash clouds in the sky. See, clouds are plural na, they are more than one, so there are, we will use here, there are clouds in the sky. Third one is dash children on the ground. Children also plural na, so there are children on the ground. Next one is dash is no teacher in the classroom. There is no teacher in the classroom. There is no teacher in the classroom. Okay, next one, dash people standing in a queue. People standing in a queue. There are people standing in a queue. Okay, in this way we have finished this exercise. Let us revise it one more time. There is a fish in the net. There are clouds in the sky. There are children on the playground. There is no teacher in the classroom and there are people standing in a queue. Okay, let's see the next exercise. Here in the, according to the picture, you can see there is a given conversation between a girl and a boy. So boy said the door is closed, we cannot go in, and the girl said we can sit here on the chairs. In this way they continue their conversation. Then Vinu said Papa is bringing the tickets. Reena said Mummy says we cannot eat snack inside. Then Vinu said yes, but we can eat here. We can eat here. So in this way you can also continue your conversation in the same way. So let's do the next exercise. Dear students, here given an activity. What you can do? I can draw a picture. Make 5 sentences beginning with I can. I can play football. I can arrange my school bag. I can jump high. I can do my homework by own. I can keep my room clean. So my dear students, you can try with a few more sentences in this way, what you can do and what you cannot do. Okay, so let's do the next exercise. See, long sound of letter E. Na? In the word he and she, E and double E sound long. Speak out and write what these pictures are. First one B, second one is she, SHE. It's a pronoun word used for girls or for female. Then third one is Jeep, JEEP. Fourth one ship, SHEEP. And fifth one is wheel, WHEEL. This is the long sound wheel, sheep, jeep, then she and B. So let's do the next exercise. That is, a theater is a crowded place. Which are the other crowded places you have seen? So dear students, here given us the space, you can paste the picture of a crowded place. Now, so many crowded places are there like a railway station, airport, bus stand, market, hospitals, now schools. So you can paste any picture, but you have to write here 3 words. I mentioned here bus stand, second one market, third one is hospital. Here given one good manner, always hold the hands of your elders at a crowded place. So whenever you are going to a crowded place, you should be with your elders. Okay, so bus stand, market and hospital I mentioned here. You can mention any 3 or these 3 also you can mention, but here you have to paste the picture. So my dear students, this grammar part you can fill in your book. No need to write them in the notebook, but you can fill it in your book. So tomorrow we will meet with the next chapter.